Good.
Here it comes.
That's good. She can deliver and look after those at the same time.
And feed on this one.
This one kicking out.
So that means there's another two
At least, isn't it? If that's what it is, it's not just...
No, it is. You can see it's fully coming out.
Oh, she's eating this cord again.
Oh, that's good, yeah.
And that's what they're meant to do, but I don't want it to get a bit rough and...
No, it doesn't matter how rough she is, it's all stimulation.
Look. Oh, look, she's... Oh, here it comes.
Look, it's baby.
It's okay,
It's black.
Hey.
Good girl, good girl. It's all wiggling around, look. It's like alien.
Isn't it?
Good girl, Lola. Good girl. Good girl. I don't really think.
Needs to be traumatised for life.
Like a balloon.
It's a balloon, yeah. It's a balloon with a puppy in. No. Good girl. Good girl. There's a good girl. Look, straight away she's...
That's it.
I don't know if she told us so early, it's got all lips on his mouth now.
I like the hat.
Oh, it's a nice puppy.
How much do you feel that, but he has not
It's
high
nice,
enough.
isn't it?
White chest though, isn't it?
Oh, wash. Oh, clean.
Oh, clean.
It's okay, Lola, it's okay. Good girl, Lola, good girl.
She's such a good girl. Another new puppy.
Have you got more, Mum?
Yeah, because I didn't want to lie.
Wait,
She's licking it. She's giving it a wash.
James, this one's coming through, can you get it? Because the bat's going from my armpit. You see?
Oh, clean.
Oh, clean. Good girl, Lola. Good
This one
girl.
looks like a white leopard.
I can't believe how live it is. Look at it. It's really trying to walk. Attached to the afterbirth hasn't come out yet.
Okay.
Stand up.
This is the one that keeps burying. It keeps going from my armpits and over it as well.
Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy.
You're a little explorer.
She's a good girl, getting it all clean.
Good girl. That's I think that's the noisiest one, isn't it?
And you like this?
Good girl.
Oh, not a.
This one's still attached to the afterbirth, and the afterbirth hasn't come out.
Trying through the arm.
Not through the arm, puppy.
Is it breathing?
Yes, look, fine.
No, it's moving around, but I didn't know if it was...
Struggling.
Oh, you like those? Okay.
It's because the afterbirth's not out, so she's...
Okay.
I know. I know, Ma. I know,
Right through
Ma.
it now.
Another one. It's black.
Come on, Mum.
Mummy.
No,
They're coming.
The puppy's black, but they kept.
no.
Yeah. Oh, here it comes. You see that, Lisa?
That's where she's biting through the
Yeah.
umbilical cord now,
Right.
so she's
Oh,
supposed
yeah.
to, isn't it? Eat it back up.
He's eating it. You're not eating the puppy.
Oh, yum.
Oh,
Yum,
Oh, yum, yum.
Yum.
Oh, look.
Look, Lisa.
No, I'm right then.
Sarah, a nest.
Is that nice?
Like
Lola?
Ness.
Serious, but is that nice?
She's dragging it along.
That's amazing, isn't it? That's a great shot, though.
Bite. Yeah, bite.
And he's got a YouTube film.
You Millie, Lola, bite it.
Yum, yum.
Yum, yum, tasty. Good girl,
All
Lola.
vitamins and minerals.
Good girl, Lola.
I've got a puppy stuck in my arm. Oh, this is the one that isn't sucking as well. That's good.
Is it stuck in your arm?
Yeah.
Oh, sharp claws.
Perhaps that's what it's meant to do, because she's dragged it over and it's now near her nipples, isn't it?
Yeah.
Puppy.
Another puppy, a black one.
Do they have to be kept like extra warm or anything?
Yeah.
Keep stroking them.
Yeah, that's why I keep hands on.
No, it's alright, no. She's a good girl. Good girl, Lola.
She's such a clever girl. I think she's filling up with milk now. Look at that puppy trying to get some nipple.
That's
Unbelievable.
nature in action, isn't it?
Seconds old.
Yeah, do you want to put one down his shirt? It's been a bit cold. Not
Little blankets for her.
Alright, okay.
And mine keys on top of her. Look, there she cleaned herself.